Hi, this is Julius Washington from the Washington Group here in Hopkins, South Carolina. We are featuring a subdivision, new construction community that's being built out here. It's called Hunter's Branch, and wanted to, show you. We're going to tour a couple of properties here today. And what I would ask for you is we want to make this a participatory process. If you know a community that you want me to take a look in and drill down into, put it in the comments, put it in or text me just to let me know that this is something that you're interested in. They've got smart homes that they're building out here, and they also have a community pool, so there are some amenities that you'll see. But stay tuned, follow along. You don't want to miss what I got to show you in a couple of these properties, some good looking homes out here. Chat with you soon. Hi, this is Julius Washington from the Washington Group, and we're here in Hopkins, South Carolina today. What I wanted to do is go through a home tour of a floor plan that I really liked. It's for those who are seeking that single story home with no stairs, no upstairs. This might be the one for you. So we'll do a quick walkthrough of that. It's about a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, slightly under 1,800 square feet. And we'll walk in right now. You'll get to take a look. This model is called the Cali model, and the Cali model here with the D.R. Horton community here at Hunter's Branch. Okay, so we'll walk through real quick. You got, as you can see in the flooring, what we have is luxury vinyl. Okay, and that's luxury vinyl throughout, and you'll see carpet in the bedroom areas. Here's a closet for your hallway, for you to store your winter coats, if you want to call it that. Here in South Carolina, gets a little chilly, but not like the winters up north. So if you're thinking about leaving the north and coming south, this is definitely possibly a home for you. We'll transition from the front of the home to the back of the home. This is bedroom number 1. You can see with the carpet. Look, a lot of activity out here right now. You can see the trucks out here all the time doing landscaping, construction work. Got a closet, but this is a panoramic view of the home here as far as the first bedroom here at the front. And then you've got the bathroom that is shared by everyone. Again, it's 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. Okay, so it's got a garden tub / shower combo with a vinyl flooring and a hard Korean countertop. Okay, there goes your fixture here. Take my face out of the picture. You don't want to see me, you want to see the home, right? Continue to watch this video because this will help you get a good perspective of the home. Okay, this is bedroom number 2. All right. And you can see, again, you see a lot of, this is at the initial phases of the community as far as the build. Now we'll transition from the linen closet. You can see this is bedroom number 3, but before we do that, we're going to actually take a look. You see the laundry room down here. Everything is on one floor, so there's no stairs that you have to worry about. There are some packages that the builders will actually give you a washer and dryer, a part of their incentives for you to buy now. Okay, here's the access to the garage. And again, you saw from the front of the house, it's a full garage. It's unfinished, which means you can paint the walls whatever you want. Okay, and it's a tankless water heater. So if you drill in right here, you can see the valve right there. That's your turn off valve. Okay, and there you got your sprinkler system there as well, along with your box. Got your garage door opener. We'll transition out of here. Okay, this is bedroom number 3. All right, and as you can see, again, carpeted. And along with a closet. Okay, and you got this closet here, goes a little bit further in. It gives you a little bit more closet space. Okay, close that up for you. We'll continue to transition here. Did I look at this? Oh, another closet. All right, so this is another coat closet, for you to either use as a coat closet or storage. We'll transition into the living space area, and I'll let you take it all in. Okay, granite countertops, gas, cooker, stove, stainless steel appliances with the fridge, microwave, the oven stove, and the dishwasher. You got the white countertops, and we'll transition here and take a look into from there. into the walk-in pantry. It's a nice spacious pantry for you. Okay. Out of all the single story plans, this is probably one of the ones I like the most because of the space that it gives you. Because again, you're hovering around 1,800 square feet. So you have a living space area here, and I'll back up, where you can actually place a kitchen dining table here. But then you also can put stools here for if you want to get those a quick bowl of cereal or whatever it is that you want to do, something quick, oatmeal, you name it. That's what you have. Okay, and then over here you got your family area. All right, so you can actually get a little space here for you to set up a nice big screen TV. You pick the wall, which one you want to put it on, and then you space for a large sectional that you can put in here as well. Okay. Okay, we're saving the best for last. So here is the final room that we will explore today. This is your master suite, which is the largest room here in this house. As you can see, I'm giving you a panoramic view of that. Okay, and we'll transition into the bathroom, or the main bath. And you can see it's a hard Corian countertops. Take my face off the picture, so because you want to look at the house, not me. And you'll see there are two vanities. So you got double vanity. You got a large spacious stand-up shower. Okay, get you a chance to see that. We'll transition into the back part of the bathroom in the master suite. You get the bonus, which you have two closets, one for whoever in the relationship has the least amount of clothes. You'll get this one. You get, for the one who has the largest amount of clothing, wardrobe, you'll get this one. Of course, you guys have to battle that out, but you can see it's a large walk-in spacious closet to accommodate what you need from a clothing perspective space. Okay, and then we'll transition here to the water closet, which is a bonus as well, because you got a bathroom that allows you to close the door for privacy, for meditation, or whatever you want to do in there. And then you can open it up when you don't need the privacy. Okay, good lighting in there as well. That is all in a nutshell for the Cali model here at Hunter's Branch, and the builder is D.R. Horton. If you're thinking about it, if you're trying to move, if you need some assistance in that process, this is Julius Washington from Columbia, South Carolina, your local realtor extraordinaire, and I would love to help you. You can reach out to us via email, via text, via phone call, however is your medium of communication. We'll be there to answer your call and provide you the service that you so much need and so much desire. Julius Washington signing out.